This is a leather, guys. The packaging. Wow, I like this. I like the way they package. Oh my god. It's like I don't want to touch it. There you have it. 1 and 2. So I got 2 of this. Beautiful. This is stunning, guys. Let's look and see. I don't know how to open yet. I'm excited. Okay, add to my collection. So this is the color, a neutral color, perfect for daily or Sunday look because it's not very intense, and comes with a applicator, a little brush. Okay. Ooh, that's a clip closure. And here's the other one. Oh, no, love it. Oh, wrong again. Wrong way. Ooh, look at that. A purple burgundy. Wow, I like this. Wow, look at this. First, this is my first YSL eyeshadow collection. So, I have this both, the twin. If you don't have one, you get 2. If you don't have 2, nothing. 0. But now, I have 2. Not just 1, but 2. Okay, comparison. Let me check. I don't want to drop the thing. Here. It takes long. I don't want to mess it up. And here's the color. This is the color, guys. I like those brown, neutral brown, and light purple, burgundy. Okay, pinkish. I like it. This is me. This is my color I like. But sometimes I like pop color too. But this one is for formal, occasion. So elegant. I adore this. Ooh, from YSL. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, so that's all I can share. Bye.